Congratulations, you've made it to year 3 of Lord of the Rhythms. We're going to learn some really cool stuff in here. That's going to be more advanced high school, college level stuff towards the end. So let's get into the first level, which is actually going to be review. And we're going to review year 2 and everything we learned in year 2 just to refresh ourselves. Okay, so the first rhythm we learned was the 2-beat syncopation. Okay, and that's this one right here. So it's an eighth note, a quarter note, and then an eighth note. And remember, syncopations when we accent, basically we accent the offbeats. And we're gonna, obscure where the downbeat is. So we're playing a lot on the ands, and then there's 16th note syncopations we're playing on e's and uhs more than the beats, but those are going to be for a later level. This is going to be common in a lot of pop music, jazz music, etc. And the way this is counted is 1 and 1 and 3 and etc. So we're going da 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 da. You can hear we're playing on the offbeat. So let's just go through this one since it's review. Here we go. We're going to set our metronome to 70 beats per minute. 2. Ready, clap, and count. Let me turn that up just a hair. And ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and a 3, 4 off. So this one, this little variation right here, we can put these here. We can put a rest right here. There's a lot of different combinations, but it's all pretty much the same rhythm. Okay, let's play it. Ready, go. Da 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 off. Okay, next one is our 8th, 16th combos. 8th note and 16th note. Remember, the key here is to watch the beams. Okay, if you see double beams, those are 16ths. And if you see single beams, those are 8th notes. Also, we will throw this in with an 8th note rest combo. Rest and up. So 1 E and up. Take a breath right here. Okay, always use those little rests to take a breath. All right, let's do this one. I'll clap this and count it. Ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 E and 2, 3 E and 4. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and 4. 1 E and a 3, 4. Okay, kind of botched that because I was looking at the top screen and couldn't see it. But hopefully you did it right. If you didn't rewind it, let's say it now or play it. You'll play it and I'll sing it. 1, or you can sing along. Ready, go. Da 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 da. Da 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 off. All right, 8th note ties. These are so important, especially if you're playing jazz or pop or anything like that. These show up all the time, especially this rhythm right here. Okay, we're gonna just circle this guy. This is that rhythm that you need to know. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Do it with me. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Da, da, da. Okay? Shows up all over the place. All right, let's clap and count this one. Oh, quick reminder on the strategy on these. If you're really struggling with them, practice them without the ties, and when you do the counting, do it without the ties. And then try to work the ties in and start slowly, really making sure you're counting and lining everything up. Okay, and then gradually pick up the tempo. Ready, clapping and counting, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, let's play it. Ready? I'm singing. Here we go. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay. Dotted eighth, 16th. Remember, we can have. Actually, I didn't flip any around in here, but we can have it flipped around where the 16th and then the dotted eighth happens. So 1E, 2E, 3E, 4E. But this is the far more common way to see it. Remember, you got to subdivide. You got to feel these 16th notes to keep it in time. 1E and a 2, 3E and a 4. Da, 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 da. And then the other thing we learned about this was over dotting. So where you make this one last really long, and this is just a really fast note, almost like a grace note right before this. Da, 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 da. Okay? Sometimes we inflect that rhythm. But when you're reading, and unless a conductor tells you to, do it really 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. Really metrically precise. Let's do this. Clapping and counting. Ready? Go. 1E and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1E and a 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4. You can hear I'm really subdividing in here. Okay, I know it's not written that way, but I'm still doing it. And I'll do it internally, usually. All right, let's say it. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Rest. Da, 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 da. Okay, now cut time. Let's slide up to cut time. And what we're going to be doing here is everything is twice as fast, right? This is a typo right here. 2-2 is the same thing as cut time, by the way. So our whole notes last for 2 beats now. Our half note, since it's 2-2, the 2 is on the bottom, half note gets the beat. Our half notes are 1 beat each. Okay, and a half rest is 1 beat, and then our quarter notes are like eighth notes, so they are the subdivisions of the beat. So this is 1 beat. We're going to split it in half into the beat and the and of the beat. Okay, again, these are just kind of tricky for your brain, but they're actually pretty easy rhythms. Let's clap and count E. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, and 2, off. Okay, play it, I'll sing it. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Okay, good. Now, quick reminder that this rhythm right here, a dotted half note quarter note is like a dotted quarter note eighth note in cut time. Okay? 16th note or eighth notes are like 16th notes. 1 knee and up because everything's twice as fast. And then this would be like an eighth note rest, eighth note. Okay? Rest and 2. Okay, make sure you take a breath right there. It's not actually this, but that's what it's like. Clapping and counting. Ready, F, here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 knee and a 2 and 1 and 2. Let's play it. Ready, go. Da, 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 off. Okay, compound meter. Remember, in compound meter, and I gotta scoop this. In compound meter, anything with a dot is the same value as it would be if it didn't have a dot in 4/4. So a whole note with a dot is like a regular whole note in 4/4 time. So, by the way, remember, we split these up into big beats. So if you three little beats in each big beat. So if you divide this top number by 3, you'll get how many big beats there are. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. This one is going to be conducted in 4. This note lasts for 4 beats. This note, because it's a dotted half note, lasts for 2 beats in compound meter. A dotted quarter note lasts 1 beat, and then we're split into 3 eighth notes, 3 and 4. Every beat's like a triplet. Okay, dotted quarter rest is 1 beat rest. Let's clap and count this. I'm holding the paper, so I'm not going to clap, but you clap and I'll point. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest. 3 and a 4. 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4. Off. Okay, your turn to perform it. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Rest. Da, 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 da. Okay, and then we have our little bit more advanced rhythms. This one doesn't have any ties in it. Remember, ties make things always harder. But we're mostly focused on now learning these two rhythms. So 1 and 2 and Now I know it's the same counting as this rhythm up here, but it's different. So this we're subdividing 3E and 4, 3E and 4. This would be 1 and 2 and 3 and, or well, we're only in 2 because we're in 6/8. But you get the idea. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and So that. Always keep that eighth note pulse going. And then this one right here, where we have the eighth note and then the quarter note. And remember, this is like we have our groups of 3/8 notes, and we tie the first two together for this one, and we would tie the back two together for this one. This would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's get into this one. Clapping and counting. Ready, go. 1, 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, off. Okay, and now we're gonna perform it. Ready, go. Da 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 da. All right, and that's the review of year 2.